Good morning, everyone. I hope you are fit and fine. Student, today I am going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 6, Introduction to HTML. The learning objective of this chapter is defining HTML, HTML tags, attributes, structure and HTML, HTML editors, creating and saving HTML document, and viewing HTML documents. Before start the chapter, let's revise some general terms. Internet. Internet is a computer network made up of millions of computers. Internet is a computer network made up of millions of computers. It is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. Right? Internet is a collection of millions of computers, and with the help of the internet, people can share and communicate all over the people can share information and communicate with each other in a very easy way. www. The full form of www is World Wide Web. It is a collection of interconnected web pages. www is a collection of interconnected web pages. Web pages. A web page is a document on the web. It includes text, picture, sound, and link to other web pages. Web pages is a document on the web, just like normal, just like a page in a Word. Web pages is a document on the web. It includes text, picture, sound, and link to the other pages. These pages are written using a special language called HTML. Web pages are written in HTML language. URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of an internet page on a website. URL is the address of internet pages. Web browser. It is a software application to access the internet. Web browser is the software through which we can access the internet. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. These are the web browser. Now, HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. What is the meaning of hypertext? Hypertext, the text which contains links to other pages, graphics, sound, etc. is called hypertext. Hypertext means the text which contains links to other pages, graphics, sound, etc. is called hypertext. This text will take you from one internet site to the next with a simple click of your mouse. Right? Hypertext is the types of text through which you can move to the next page. When you click on this text, you can jump to the next page. Right? I repeat once again, hypertext is the text through which you can jump from one page to other page. For example, when you open Google, you can see top right corner Gmail is written here like this, and when you click on Gmail, then this page will be open. This page. So Gmail is the हाइपर टेक्स्ट जीमेल वहाँ पर बैक लास्ट पेज पे जीमेल क्या था, हाइपर टेक्स्ट था, राइट. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, हाइपर टेक्स्ट is a text through which you can move from one page to other page on the internet. Now, markup is a method to define the layout or style of how a text is displayed. Markup is a method that define how the text are displayed on the web pages, right. For example, hello world. If you write hello world and you want to make it and you want to make the word in bold, आप hello word को bold करना चाहते हैं, तो if you are using word processing software, then you can simply select the word and press Ctrl B. But in HTML you can make it bold through the tag like this. So in this way you can make word bold. Understood? Markup means mark the content through the tag. Simple definition. Markup means mark the content through the tag. It is a method to define the style of the text, how text is displayed on your web page, defined by the markup. Understood? Next topic is, so we can define HTML. HTML is a language used for designing web pages. HTML is a language used for designing web pages, right. HTML, with the help of the HTML we can design web pages. And what is the web pages? I have already explained. It is a language that describes the contents, format and layout in which a web page should be displayed over the internet. HTML is a language that describe the format in which a web page is displayed on the internet. HTML tag. What is HTML tag? Commands in HTML are known as tags. Commands in HTML is known as tag. It is used to define the manner in which the content should be formatted and displayed in the browser. All HTML tags are enclosed by angular bracket. Understood? HTML tag is simply a command read by a browser that can do things like a center, bold, italic, etc. Understood? HTML tags is a command through which you can define how text is displayed on the browser, and tags are enclosed by angular bracket. For example, body tag, font tag, head, etc. These are the tags. And the syntax of the tag, how we write the tag, we write tag name in angular bracket, then string of the text, after that close the tag with within angular tag, right. Now, types of tags. There are two types of tags: container tag and empty tag. What is a container tag? Tags which require opening and closing commands are called container tags. The tag which needs to opening and closing is known as container tags. ऐसे टैग्स जिनको ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग दोनों होती है वो आपकी कंटेनर टैग कहलाती है. A tag is closed by putting // in front of the tag name. How you close the tag? you can just put the forward slash before the tag name. Your tag will be closed. For example, head, you can see on the screen, head tag is starting here, angular bracket, and this is a closing of head tag by putting forward slash before the name. This is a body tag, starting of the body tag, and body tag is closed by forward slash before the name, right? I repeat once again, container tag is a tag that needs to be closed. A tag is closed by putting a forward slash in front of the tag name, right? Container tag needs to be closed. Underline this point. Container tags is need to be closed. Second is empty tag. What is empty tag? Tags which do not require closing commands are called empty tags. A tag which do not need to close is known as empty tag. For example, br command, hr command, etc. Understood? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, container tags need to be closing. Empty tag do not need to close. How we close the container tag? By putting forward slash. Next is attributes. It is a special keyword used to specify additional information about the tag and customize it. If you want to give any additional information about the tag, then we can give it by its attribute. For example, h1 is a heading tag, and this is a align. This is align is the attribute. Align is the attribute of h1 tags. It's describe that heading 1 को center में करना है. It make heading 1 in the center, right? I hope you understand. Watch the video carefully.